Good morning, y'all. It's early in the morning. It's a Saturday. Just got up right here in Pittsburgh, and I'm in my brother's new house. It's a beautiful view behind me. Show you guys what that looks like early in the morning. Nice little beautiful view here. And, we're about to get this day started. See what this day takes us to. We're gonna try to enjoy stuff out here today. Try to have a good time down here in Pittsburgh. Last night we had a good time. We was down the Overlook at nighttime, had a couple little drinks and stuff like that. But we definitely had a good time yesterday, and today we're gonna try to have a good time also. So stay tuned. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Yesterday I didn't get to record anything. I left my camera inside the car, so I couldn't record anything we was doing yesterday. But today I will be recording the things we're gonna be doing. We're gonna try to have a good time here and try to enjoy yourself down in Pittsburgh. So stay tuned. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. So see y'all guys in a few once I get up officially, wash my face and take a shower. So I'll see you guys in a few. So hey, what's up guys? We're here in Yellow Dogs Village. We're about to check out these cool over mains here. There's a few information here next to the parking lot where we parked at. They got a whole bunch of signs saying private property and stuff like that. So hopefully we don't get in trouble recording here. But we're gonna try to explore the best we could here, and I'm trying to get some cool little shots for y'all guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna turn the camera around, show y'all guys a little information in front of us about a little bit about this place here. So let me turn it around and show y'all. We got this cool sign right here. Actually looks like there's a few people actually staying in some of these houses here, but let's go up here and check it out. See what it looks like up here. There's all these houses up here that's abandoned. These houses are very old and a lot of nature took over it. So I'm not too sure we could get into these houses, but we will explore around it and see what it looks like up here. So all these houses right here was once people living in it. They used to work around here in this little coal mine that was around here and stuff like that. And after that place shut down, all these little buildings right here got abandoned. And it's a shame because these houses are very nice. They was well taken care of and stuff like that. There's a nice little cool area here around it too. So all these cool old houses here. So the guy up here, I'm gonna ask him to see if we good to record it here or anything. See will we get in trouble. So let's go up here and ask him, can we explore around here? See if he will let us know if we could explore these little buildings here, check them out. So guys, unfortunately we're not gonna be able to explore this place here. This place is private property. They actually trying to restore this place here. And yeah, if you can explore here, I'll try to get some cool videos for y'all guys here, trying to explore inside these little buildings here. But right now they trying to bring this thing back to life, so they don't want too many people, well, they don't want people here at all and stuff like that exploring no more. But it was cool just seeing it from right here. From the little bit that we got to see, we didn't get to go into the buildings, but we did get to see some of these old cool buildings from the outside. And this place got a lot of memories and stuff like that. So after this video, I will put a couple old pictures and stuff like that, and let a little slideshow go through to show y'all guys how this place used to look like, and show you what it looks like now and stuff. But I hope y'all guys still enjoyed this video. We had a good time still hiking up here. I actually talked to the guy up there. He the one that told me that we couldn't be here because it was private property and stuff like that. But we're gonna respect his rules and stuff like that. And yeah, probably hopefully next time we come up here and this place be nice and done up and we can still check it out. So we're walking right back to the car, and I'm gonna wrap this video up here. So I'll see y'all guys in my next adventures. It sucks that we couldn't go up there, but we did enjoy the ride coming up here. So I mean, that's all that counts. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video from before and after this place, how I used to look and how I look now. So stay tuned, and I hope y'all guys enjoyed it.
Always always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in.